Hey folks, Ashram this side from AceIPM. The results for IPMAT IIM Rohtak are finally out. And if in case you want to check it for yourself, you can go on the link which is available down in the description, enter your email address and the password which is your date of birth in the following format, and then click on login. Two scenarios might play out. One is that you're unfortunately not shortlisted. In that case, it shows you your score out of the total marks 472. 472 possibly because two questions might have been dropped and it says regret, you are not shortlisted. That is what you're shown. If in case you're shortlisted, it says congratulations and shows you, a green pop-up. It will not show you your score if in case you're shortlisted. Only people who are not shortlisted are shown their scores. And it will also ask you for your city preference, which you need to fill by tomorrow EOD. However, this form does not really work right now. You cannot change preferences. You only have two cities, which is Delhi and Hyderabad. In terms of the cutoffs, these are the following cutoffs: 363 for general, 330 EWS, 307 NCOBC, 246 SC, and 168 ST. For DAP category, depending on which category you come from, you have different cutoffs. If in case you're shortlisted, it makes sense that you start preparing for your interviews as soon as you can. If in case you are already an AceIPM student, you have this already included as a part of your batch. Otherwise, you can purchase it for 399, which gives you access to super amazing live sessions, which help you curate all your answers, create them, and understand how do you need to approach every single type of question that is there for your extempore practice, which happens in the case of IPMAT Rohtak, IIM Rohtak's interviews, and also 3 very helpful mock PIs, which are conducted by your seniors who are currently in these IIMs, helping you with this process, which they've already gone through last year. So that is about it. Also, if in case you are not shortlisted, it is totally fine. You have your GPMAT exam coming up on 7th of June. You have more than 2 weeks of time for that. Please make sure all the shortcomings you have had in IPMAT Rohtak, you are inherently working on that before your GPMAT and doing your absolute best there and all the very best for that. That is about it. If in case you have any questions, you can drop it down in the comment section. I'll see you in another month. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the best, and bye-bye. Thank you.